Hi, my name is George C. Keefe, and I am the Encasement Guy, contractor, consultant, author. Welcome to my course on sustainable architecture with the benefits of Green Coatings Encasement. I'm excited about being able to pass on all this valuable information that I'll be speaking about. The course is about solving building challenges and stopping exposure to solid hazardous material, protecting people, buildings, and the environment with green, industrial, sustainable, and renewable coatings. This course will provide you with green building solutions that today's consumers demand. It will supply you with information to prevent future frustration from losing business to the competition. That same competition that gets the lucrative, eco-minded contracts that in the past have slipped through your fingers. You'll easily learn the information and know-how you need to plan and pull off practical green projects, using the best environmentally friendly products, creating more commerce for you, and exceeding your clients' high expectations. You'll also discover the methodologies and principles of what I do, so you can immediately start putting them to work in your business. You'll get detailed knowledge of the most sustainable and environmentally friendly ways to restore buildings and extend their life cycle through waterproofing, weatherproofing, and much more. That's what a huge part of this course is about: restoring and defending buildings, demonstrating value engineering with best practices over removal and replacement while stopping and preventing future decay. I'll be covering the renewal of building surfaces, especially roofing, discovering innovative techniques for recycling and renovating roofs, along with other surfaces. You'll find out about new and better ways to in-place manage asbestos, lead-based paint, and other solid hazardous materials, as opposed to costly and often unnecessary removal and replacement, all with simply applied Green Coatings Encasement. You'll learn how to achieve all these goals while avoiding expensive, waste-producing, emissions-intensive procedures like demolitions and tear-offs. What's more, in this course, you're not just getting theory. You'll watch me use my proven techniques as I restore a 70,000 square foot leaking roof that contains lead-based paint, all on site in the Philippines. I don't know of any other online course about green architecture and engineering that lets you see your instructor do what's being discussed in an actual on-site project, complete with inevitable real-world constraints and job site challenges. By watching over my shoulder as the work takes place, you'll see just how adaptable, efficient, and effective my solutions are, and you'll understand how you can use the same principles, methods, and tools to better serve your clients. With your newly increased knowledge of best-in-class, eco-conscious solutions, you'll be more than ready to enter markets not fully open to you now. You'll be able to establish yourself as a reliable provider of green building solutions, someone who gives accurate and actionable information and who makes smart, environmentally friendly project decisions. And as you grow your reputation, you'll gain more clients and generate more profit, lifting your business to a whole new level. Let's go down the list of basic concepts in this course. What is encasement, and specifically Green Coatings Encasement, and how it positively contributes to sustainable architecture and surface restoration over removal and replacement? What makes a coating environmentally advanced and green? What specific green coating products I personally recommend, and why exactly I recommend them? In addition, how they are simply installed and easily renewed to protect people, buildings, and the environment. The proven concept of 3 pillars of sustainability: people, planet, and profit, and how that straightforward concept ties into Green Coatings Encasement. Weatherproofing all buildings and other structures with the same Green Coatings Encasement, protecting them from repeated attacks and breakdown from harsh weather, chemicals, and ultraviolet rays. Using those same green coatings to safely and simply in-place manage solid hazardous materials, ones that are so present in our everyday lives, especially the more prevalent ones such as asbestos, lead-based paint, and PCBs, polychlorinated biphenyls. Roof restoration, which includes sealing and waterproofing roofs turning them solar reflective, saving energy, money, and contributing to people's overall well-being. How when turning roofs solar reflective ties into the heat island effect, with its negative consequences contributing to global warming and damaging climate change. How a case-by-case system design is so important to maximizing your outcome while minimizing cost and risk. How to best choose between the three options of do nothing, remove and replace, or just in case with Green Coatings. How Green Coatings Encasement is value engineering and most often considered best practice. How and why quality matters, especially with sustainable architecture, surface restoration, and properly dealing with the in-place management of asbestos, lead-based paint, and other solid hazardous materials. How crossover issues such as with waterproofing and containing solid hazardous materials can be simply handled with one solution. How minimizing the unnecessary generation of waste is cost-saving and good for the environment. How a case-by-case project evaluation is needed to provide the best effective solutions. What are case-by-case composite green coating systems and how they are most often superior to single-layered systems. How to design and install those case-by-case composite systems. How combining the old and the new is better than removal and replacement. Taking existing building stock that is at the end of its service life and combining with new materials to make a preferable, more ecological, restored system. Stopping the unnecessary generation of unwanted waste while conserving natural resources. How to simply turn environmentally distressed properties green, taking leaky, asbestos, lead-based paint, solid PCB contaminated buildings and turn them green by using Green Coatings Encasement. This distinctly includes dealing with brownfield and greenfield real estate. A how-to guide in evaluating the best solutions for individual situations and most practical actions to take implementing those solutions. Saving time, money, while protecting people, buildings, and the environment. Step-by-step process of identifying project challenges, evaluating specific situations, and providing most practical solutions. Direct advantages of Green Coatings Encasement, and also most often realized indirect benefits. Non-destructive procedures and non-invasive techniques. Looking at real-life project challenges and scenarios, coming up with the best possible solutions, and then designing the best suitable fix for that specific situation. Charts and graphs showing heat island mitigation with roofs, solar reflectance and heat absorption, solar reflectance for various roofing materials in sunlight, U.S. green building roof coatings, case histories with real-life project scenarios with the proven solutions that were implemented. Additional resources to help you master these concepts, such as books, tools, and techniques. Having a firm grasp on these concepts will contribute to you reaching your goals of being a well-informed professional, understanding all the options available to make the best decisions on projects, in turn bringing in more business to you and your company. This valuable information will be most importantly assist you and your clients to make the best educated decisions in saving money and time while also protecting people, buildings, and the environment. So let's go ahead and get started.